G'day YouTube. Today I'm going to be showing you a clip of a car that I'm restoring. It's a 1970 Fiat 850 Coupe. It's a Series 2, so that has the 903cc block in it instead of the old 843 that the Series 1 had. So far the car's been in restoration for probably about 7 or 8 years. It's been on and off over that period. A fair bit of money's gone into the project, making sure that we're doing everything to the standard that I wanted. So anything that can be replaced is being replaced. I'll go into more details later on, but the clip that you're going to be seeing shortly is just of the motor and the gearbox, which have both been rebuilt. The top half of the motor has been rebuilt. I've got the racing exhaust R-bath intake with a 2836 DCD downdraft Weber carburetor on it. It's got a rear flow intake, as well as the new water pump, belts, coil, ignition, everything. The gearbox has had 4 new synchros put into it. So this is just a test startup of the motor. It runs for about 30 seconds or so. I haven't hooked up the radiator to it, so it was just a dry run, just to make sure everything ran perfectly fine. If you've got any questions, feel free to ask. I know a fair bit about these cars. I've been working on it for a fair while now. I can probably try and help with any questions you have. If not, I can definitely put you on to the right people. So enjoy, and remember to like and subscribe. Cool.